Here are some facts about condoms that you should know. The first condoms were probably used in the 15th or 16th century, and they were used to prevent sexually transmitted diseases at the time. There has been a lot of progress made in condom manufacturing since the mid-19th century, when condoms were first used widely for contraceptive purposes. Condoms have become the most popular method of contraception today. They're easy to find and relatively cheap, but still people have many doubts about how they actually should be used. The fact is that condoms are 100% reliable. When used properly, they can provide 98% protection against pregnancy and STDs. However, regular use only provides 85% protection. In the case of STI condoms, not all kinds of STIs are covered, such as herpes, warts, and chlamydia. So be careful not to use a condom during oral or anal sex. Condoms shouldn't expire. Actually, they do, but they should be checked for the expiration date at the back of the condom wherever there is exchange of bodily fluids, including during anal or oral sex. Keep the condom in your wallet or backpack in case you need it. Over time, keeping a condom in your wallet can weaken its structural integrity, causing holes to form and making it easy to break. Make sure the packaging doesn't get damaged. Store the condoms at room temperature or at a cool place. Using 2 condoms doubles the protection. Keep the condoms at room temperature or in a cool place to protect them. Using 2 condoms doubles their effectiveness. If you have an allergy to latex, you should use water-based or silicone-based lubes instead of oil-based or petroleum-based lubes, including Vaseline. There are polyurethane and polyisoprene materials for condoms these days that are approved by the FDA for condom use. Condoms are a mood killer. Nothing can ruin the mood faster than an unwanted pregnancy and the fear of getting an STI. Condoms are not just for men. Women can use internal condoms as well. As effective as male condoms, they are less readily available, however. But condoms do not break easily. They just need to be put on carefully by squeezing the top while rolling it down and by being careful of sharp objects such as pins or jewelry. Yes, you need a condom if you and your partner are on the pill. The pill does not protect you from STIs. Furthermore, if your partner forgets to take a pill, does not take it correctly, or is ill, the pill's effectiveness is reduced and she could still become pregnant by using condoms, unless you are in an exclusive relationship. If your partner is trying to use this as an excuse to go condom-free, please understand that this is manipulation. It is important to always prioritize your health and take strong measures against those who are carriers of certain STDs. You can't reuse condoms, as they are designed for single use only. If you're on your period, you don't need a condom. The possibility of STD still exists during this time, and while you might be less likely to become pregnant during this time, your period does not offer any protection against it.